Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we have with us the URBN 20 watt dual wall adapter. As you can see on the box, we've got quick charge on USB type A, power delivery, USB type C, dual charging, a 1-year warranty, and we've also got the claim that you can charge your gadgets up to 2.5 times faster. This is a made in India product. Let's see if we can find any more features on the box. Yeah. So as we can see, we've got 20 watt max output, dual charging, auto detection, BIS certified, 1-year warranty. We've got quick charge 3.0 compatibility and a power delivery 3.0 compatibility. And as you can see, it's compatible with most devices including tablets, Android, iPhone and more. So let's take a look inside the box. So inside the box, as it's mentioned on the box, we've got the 1-year replacement warranty from URBN, and we've got the 20 watt adapter itself. As you can see, we've got the type A port and the type C port. So this adapter also comes with overcurrent protection, over voltage protection, short circuit protection and over temperature protection. And that's our unboxing of the URBN 20 watt dual wall adapter. Thanks for watching.